Hello everyone. Am I audible? Am I visible? Please let me know in the comment section. Hello Bhavna Chandan, Anusha Pooja, Yasin Zeba Dabi, Smriti Diksha Sneha Pooja. Hello Dinesh, Kritika Swati. स्वाति बेटा यू आर द वन नो जो कल बोल रहे थे हमारे कुछ ज़्यादा समझ में नहीं आया था. सिमरन. हेलो वंशिका. हेलो भूमि. I will go slow, don't you worry. I was not very fast. There are certain constraints. Good morning, Hemanusha. Hello, Sindhura. How many of you were not here in yesterday's class? Okay, Dinesh. Uh, we will create a mechanism for doubt solving. I would I would always recommend if you have got some questions. I have created a group of students for the Telegram. Right? You might uh, put your questions there. Radhe Radhe Bhavna ji. Uh, Pooja on Telegram. You can search me from by the name Amit Kumar Jaiswal. That group is there. So each one of you should be part of that group. Keep asking questions there, and I will ask my Byju's team also. What is the mechanism to address your doubts here? Good morning, Jyoti. Good morning, Rupam. Right. Shall we begin? I had also requested each one of you to be in the class on time, because if you are 10 minutes late, then this is all gone. Hello Shruti, Sudhira. All right, so let me go in the comment box. So what did we try to do yesterday? We did remainder theorem. How many questions do you get from remainder theorem in your examination? If we look at the trend which is there in last 3 years, so very easily 1 to 2 questions. Dunesh, I will take care of that. Guys, do you get the PPT? Do you get access to the PPT? Okay. And in that, we were talking about, we talked about the concept of negative reminders, right? And then we talked about how to deal with common factors. Did we do it? Okay. So there were some questions that were not taught, so that we will do today itself. Please do not worry. Please uh, try to solve this problem. See if you can simplify this problem. What is the answer of this? When 202 raised to 101 gets divided by 6, what is the remainder? Find the remainder here. Okay, Prem. And that is your question number 1 A. And your question number B out here is, when you have got 2 raised to only 100 and that gets divided by 6, what is the remainder? And the second and the third concept, they were utilized in these two problems. Okay. Please take your time. Please take your time. But make sure that you are solving these two problems. Bhumi, we did it yesterday. Vanshika is getting 4. Sudhira is getting, the first one has 4, the second one has 2. Okay. Okay. So let me solve it for you. You have got 2 raised to 101 divided by 6. What is 6? 6 can be written as what? 2 into 3. And can the numerator be written as 2 into 2 raised to 100? Is it not? Is it not? 2 raised to 100 into 2. The meaning of 2 raised to 101 is 2 is getting multiplied 101 times. 101 times. So I can take out 1 2, and then 2 raised to 100 can be written easily. Now, what is the common factor? I have cancelled this 2 and this 2 from here. Now my problem becomes 2 raised to 100 divided by 3. Now, yesterday you learned that when 2 gets divided by 3, your remainder is either positive 2 or your remainder is minus 1. Right? Minus 1 is the remainder. Everybody is understanding this. Why minus 1 is the remainder? So this minus 1 will be multiplied how many times? 100 times. 100 is what? Even number. If it is even number, it becomes plus 1. Do you understand? But plus 1 should not be the answer. What should be your answer? Plus, if your problem is 2 raised to 101 to 100 divided by 3, then the answer is plus 1. But what is your problem out here? 2 raised to 101 divided by 6. You had discarded 2, and that 2 has to be brought back. And that is why your remainder will be 1 into 2. What is the answer here? 4. Does this make sense, people? Let me know in the comment section that you're understanding this. Is it okay with each one of you? Last point is not understandable. Why? Because please have a look at this. What did we do? We discarded this 2 from the divisor and the dividend. So the number that you have discarded has to be brought back here. Do you understand? In the final answer, before you write the final answer, the same number has to be brought back. Are we clear with this? Are we clear with this? Now 2 is the answer. And if we try to find out what is the answer of 2 raised to 100 divided by 6. So again, what do you do out there? Just a second, people. So this 6 is what? This 6 is 2 into 3. And this number is 2 into. Now you will write this as 2 is 2 raised to 99. So your problem becomes 2 raised to 99 divided by 3. Now your remainder will be minus 1 raised to 99, which is nothing but minus 1. Are we getting that? Now, minus 1 cannot be the minus 1 is something that is for you and I to understand. So, what is that you will write? The divisor, which is divisor 3 minus 1. The answer is going to be 2. 2 is the answer of which problem? When your question is 2 raised to 99 divided by 3, your answer is 2. But you multiplied, you discarded 2 out here. You see, you have discarded 2 out here. So when you have to find out answer for 2 raised to 100 divided by 6, that 2 has to be brought back. And that will become 2 into 2, which is 4. Is that okay? Radhika says whatever you're writing on the board is disappearing. Is it the case? Is it the case? Almost everybody says no, it is not the case. Bhumi says, why did you multiply by 2? I multiplied by 2 because I had discarded 2. So the number that is discarded has to be written in the final answer. Please understand this. Yes, in the previous question, the answer was 2. But here the answer is going to be 4. So what did I say? What did I say? Uh, in this question, your answer is 2. Whereas in this question, your answer is 4. Are you okay with this? Are you okay with this? So this question, the answer is 2. Last sum I wrote 4 instead of, oh, that is my bad. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 2 is not 4. Thank you, Dinesh. Okay. But are we clear with this? Each one of you? Okay. Now, भूमि आप वहीं अटके हुए हो, आप समझ नहीं पा रहे हो मैं बार बार 2 से मल्टीप्लाई क्यों कर रहा हूं, क्योंकि मैं बार बार जो नंबर डिस्कार्ड करोगे उसी को तो वापस लाओगे ना. The number that is getting discarded has to be brought back. What is that you have discarded? What was there common here and here? It was 2. So we discarded 2. But when we are writing our final answer, what do? We have to bring back that 2. And I'm saying 100 times. Is that okay? पहले में भी यही करना था. देखो ना, पहले में भी यही किया. I did in the first one, I multiplied finally by 2. In this one also, I multiplied by 2. Harish, I am not writing 2 as 200 as 2 into 2. I'm writing I am writing 2 raised to 100. This is what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times this 2 is there? 100 times, right? 100 times. So what did I do? I took out 2 from here, and then how many times 2 is there? 99 times. So I wrote 2 raised to 99. Is that okay? And then 2 raised to 100, when it was divided by 6, it will become 2 into this value divided by 2 into 3. So 2 gets cancelled by the number, because 2 is there in 6 and 2 is there in 2 raised to 100. Is it okay? So 2 has to be eliminated because it is common in the divisor and in the dividend. But when you go, because you have found out answer of this problem. What is answer of this problem? It is, you found out it is 2. But 2 cannot be the answer because 2 into 2 has to be the final answer. Are we clear with this? Are we clear with this? Now, let us, Bhumi, you understood. I am really very glad. My objective is always to help students at their own pace. So I say this to each one of you. Please sit with an open mindset that you will understand. No need to panic. There is no need to panic at all. All that you have to do, and they are very commonsensical problems. You do not need to be you do not need to be very good with mathematics. All that you have to do, you have to understand what I am doing, right? All right. I'm gonna do this. Yesterday I had started the concept of zeros, and I said that in order to get a zero, you need 2 and 5. Whenever you have a pair of 2 and 5, you will get a zero. You will get a zero whenever you're going to be having a pair, right? Now, if I say my number is 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4. What is this number? Please see this. It is going to be 1 followed by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that okay? Pooja, we will talk about it in the last. But if my number is 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 4, what will be my number? So do you understand now that my number is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4? Is it okay? Is it okay? Now, what if I ask you this problem? I have got 15 into 25. Tell me number of zeros. 15 into 25. How many zeros are there? No zero? No zero? And why you don't have any zero? Because look at this number. This number is 5 into 3. And this number is 5 into 5. So how many, if we do the prime factorization of this number, if you see 1, 2, 3, how many fives? 3 fives. How many threes? 1 3. Do we have a zero? We do not have a zero. And since we do not have a zero, sorry, we do not have 2, we are not going to be having any zero. No zero. No zero. Why no zero? Because there is no 2 out here. Okay. Now let me change this problem, and I say that we have got 15 into some number 18. How many zeros do you have here in 15 into 18? 15 can be written as 5 into 3. 18 can be written as what? 9 into 2. Now do we have a pair of, now do we have a pair? Yes. So 5 into 2 obviously will give me 1 0, and this number is nothing but 270. Now I have got one trailing zero. Is that okay? Is everybody understanding? Now go ahead and tell me this. 25 into 35 into 55 into 86 into 52. How many zeros do you see here? Tell me. Ayush, what are we doing? We are trying to find out the pairs of 2 and 5. If you can get one pair of 2 and 5, you will have 1 0. If you can get two pairs of 2 and 5, you will be having two zeros, and so forth and so on. Now, if you see the number of fives, what do we have to do? We have to count the number of twos and fives. How many fives do we see here in this problem? 5 into 5. Here, how many of them are there? Only one 5. And I'm not even thinking of all the other numbers. In 55, I have got 5 into 11. So how many fives do I have? I have got 4 fives. How many fives? 4 fives. Look at number of twos out here. Look at number of twos out here. If you bifurcate 86, 86 is what? 2 into 43. 2 into 43. Further, it cannot be divided. And how about 52? How about 52? This is 13 into 4. And this is 13 into 4 is what? 2 raised to 2. So how many 2's do I have? 1 2 I am getting from here, and 1 2 I am getting from here. So number of 2's will be nothing but 3. So what did I say? How many 5's do I have? 4. How many 2's do I have? 3. What is going to be the number of pairs? It is going to be 3. That is what it is. Now, how many trailing zeros are going to be there? There will be 3 trailing zeros. Did we understand, people? Almost everybody is getting the answer. Shimna and Yasin, please correct yourself. Is it clear? Is it clear? The questions are really very simple. Yes, Dinesh. We have got 3 twos. Process is pretty simple. Process is find the pairs of 2 and 5. Now, 105 into 135 into 155 into 24. Tell me the number of zeros here. No, I would not say even number decides 0. I will say that the number of pairs of 2 and 5 will decide the number of zeros, Fatima. $56 नहीं था बेटे, वो 86 था. Bhavna, it was not 56, it was 86. So 86 is 2 into 43. Okay. No, 52 cannot be written as 2 into 21. कहाँ से सार्थक? 2 into 21 is 42. It is not 52. Okay. भावना 52 को बाइफरकेट करोगे तो what are you going to be getting? 13 into 4 is 52 ना. What is 105 out here? 105 is 21 into 5. यही ना. So how many fives? And this number is 27 into 5. And what is this number? This is 31 into 5. So how many fives do you have? 3 fives, right? And now you have got 24. If you look at 24, it is 8 into 3. So 8, further 8 can be written as what? 8 further can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So how many 2's do you have? 3 2's. How many trailing zeros you are going to be having at the end of this number? 3. Are we understanding this concept? Everybody is getting this? Is it simple? आज तो स्पीड स्लो है, बाकी लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ स्पीड ठीक है, आपको समझ में आ रहा है? In order to find, number of zeros, what are we going to be doing? We are going to be focusing upon 2 and 5, right? Okay then. Now, since you're understanding this thing, how many zeros do you see here in this number? Which is 12 into 14 into 16 into 18 into 24. ज्योति का कहना है कि ज्योति मैडम का कहना है that 24 can be written as 2 into 12. अरे बाबा, नंबर ऑफ टूज निकालना है ना, तो यहाँ पे भी तो 2 होगा ना, यहाँ से भी निकालोगे, that you will call this as 2 into 6, and then further you have got additional 2 here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So now this 3 does not have a 2. Do the prime factorization, yaar. There are too many 2's but no 5's, and hence there will be zeros, no zeros. Good job. How about this? 85 into 55 into 24 into 37. Count the number of 5's, count the number of 2's, and simplify your problem. Gargi, Shubham, Avadh, you guys are getting the right answer. Rajesh, Harish, Priyanshu. So those of you who are getting 2 zeros, you're doing fine. Good one, Jasveer. So what are we trying to do out here, people? This is 17 into 5. And what is this out here? 11 into 5. Yahi hua na? So how many fives? 2 fives. Look at 24. 24 has got 3 2's. So this is 3 2's. But how many zeros? Pairs will this. You have got only 2 pairs of 5 and 2. And hence it is going to be this one. Good job. Very good job. You're understanding this. Now, go ahead and tell me what is the number of zeros out here. Five into 10 into 15 into 20 into 25. अरे भावना, इतना शॉर्टकट मत लगाओ यार. What is the meaning of last power is equal to number of zeros? All that I'm saying is, if you have got 5 into 5 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 4, isn't it pretty simple? Because over here there will be 3 zeros, 3 pairs. देखो, what we should do, we should count the number of fives first. 5 has got 1 5. Look at 10. 10 is 2 into 5, so 1 5. 15, 1 5, 5 into 3. 20, 1 5, 5 into 4. 25, 25 is 5 into 5, so it will have 2 5's. Whereas 30 has got 1 5. 35 has got 1 5. 40 has got 1 5. 45 has got 1 5. 50, what is the value of 50? 2 into 5 into 5. 50 has got 2 5's. So collectively, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 6 here. So how many fives do you see? 12 fives. Did you understand? Did you understand this? And how many twos? How many twos are we going to be having? Two nikalna is pretty simple. How come it is simple? You need to find this out. Where will you have two? In the power of in the even numbers. So in 5 you will not be having. So in 10 you will be having a 2. In 20 you will be having a 2. And 30 and 40 and 50. So look at 10, 2 into 5. So how many 2's do you see here? Only 1 2. This number is 4 into 5. Let us focus on 4 only. 4 is equal to 2 into 2. So how many 2's you are having? 2 2's. 30. 30 is 6 into 5. So we have to discard 5 any which way. And in 30, how many 2's do you have? If you further bifurcate 6, it is 2 into 3. Now look at 40. 40 is 8 into 5. 8 into 5 means how many 3's, how many 2's are there? 3. 2 into 2 into 2. And 50 is equal to 2 into 25. So how many 2's do you have? Only 1. So now add these numbers of 2's. It become 4, 8. So how many 2's are you having? 8. Tell me how many zeros you will have. 5 raised to 12 into 2 raised to 8. How many zeros you will have? How many pairs you're forming? You're forming only 8 and hence 8 zeros. Simplified, no? It is all the matter of how are we going to be doing it. Are we doing it patiently? If you're doing it patiently, it is done. Okay, now 8 zeros. Now solve this problem. Harish, last step. If you're not getting, somebody says I'm not getting the last step. But how many fives you have? 12. How many twos do you have? 8. So 8 twos and 8 fives will give you 8 zeros. Rest of the 5 will remain unutilized. Are you getting that, Harish? They only ask number of trailing zeros. How many zeros this number will have at the end of it? Do you understand? Prime numbers, yesterday we had talked about. What are the prime numbers, people? Which number are known to be the prime numbers? Numbers that are divisible by itself. Divisible by itself only. Itself and one only. So collectively it has got two factors. And if you multiply, you will have only 1 2 and you will have only 1 5. So when you multiply 2 and 5, you will be having only 1 0 at the end of it. So only 1 0. Rest of the prime numbers are odd prime numbers. Is that okay? And you have got only 1 2. And that is why this is going to be, yeah, you don't have to know. Somebody says how many prime numbers, and I say that you don't have to know. What is the use of it? You know it, that is fine. You don't know it, still you can find out your answer. You understand? You can still find out your answer. Good job, people. Manjari, when you multiply all the prime numbers 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11 into 13 into 17 into 19 into 23 into 29 into 31 into 37 into 41 into 43, all of it, Where do you get 0 from? You get 0 from 2 and 5. How many 2 you have? How many 5 do you have? How many trailing 0 you will have? No, this will come at the end. This 0 will come at the end because 2 into 5 is 10. No, 10 हो गया ना भाई. अब वो बाकी का product, whatever that is, but at the end of it you're going to have 1 0. Is that okay? Now, since almost everybody is understanding, tell me how many zeros are going to be there in 4 factorial. What do we mean by 4 factorial? 1, 2, 3, 4. You multiply them all. That is the meaning of 4 factorial. You see how many 2's are we having? We are having 1 2 from here, and we are having 2 2's from here. So how many do I have? I have got 3 2's. Make sense? Okay, then everybody is getting that. Good job, people. Go ahead. Tell me how many zeros do you see in 5 factorial? Sweta, आप तो ऐसा, how come you can multiply all the prime numbers and then there is no zero? You might have done it wrongly. You write, Chandan, you have a question. You write, Chandan has a very valid question. You multiply all the prime numbers on the planet. Number of zero will be only 1. You multiply all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. You multiply all the prime numbers from 1 to 1000. You multiply all the prime numbers from 1 to 10,000. You multiply all the prime numbers on the planet. Every time you're going to be having only 1 0. So, Shweta, you're not doing it correctly then. How many zeros are there here, people, in 5 factorial? 1 0. What is the, look at this number, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, and this number any which way is 120. It is 120. How are we having 1 0, one trailing 0 here? Because look at 1 2 and 1 5. By the way, you have got how many 2's you have? You see, 2 raised to 1. Look at this, 2 raised to 2, isn't it? So how many 2's do we have? We have got 3 2's. But how many 5's do we have? Only 1 5. So how many pair of 2 and 5 we can form? We can form only one pair. Do you understand? Do you understand what I'm talking about? Only one pair. And since there is only one pair, you're going to be having only 1 0. Did you understand? See, this is 1 0 in 1 in 5 factorial. 5 factorial value is 120. Sindhura, your messages are very much visible. What LCM? What LCM? So they are multiplying like 2, 3, 5, 7. So they're not getting, they will get 0. So I suppose there is a confusion there. Let me handle that confusion. So when I said multiply all the prime numbers to 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, let us multiply all from 1 to 10, all the prime numbers. So how many zeros you are going to be having? This is 21 and this is 10. 210. Do you have a zero out here? When you're multiplying prime numbers, from 1 to 10, that is 210. Do you have a zero? When you multiply prime numbers from 1 to 100, still you're going to be having 1 0 now. You see, that 0 is going to be there. So where do we have the confusion? That when you multiply all the prime numbers, अरे करो ना फिर. किसी ने बोला मैंने कर दिया, मैंने कहा ऑडेसिटी है ये. And then 7 and 11 and 13 and 17. It is foolishness to go ahead. It is a wastage of your precious time. When you say I'm going to multiply, somebody said that I multiplied and I said that okay, wow, what was the need of it? Into 71 into 73 into 79 into 83 into 89. You multiply all of them. Somebody said I multiplied all of it. My question was that, but my question was not to multiply the entire number. My question was to find out number of zeros at the end of it. How many zeros are you going to be having, people? For 0, you focus on 2 and 5 only. So obviously, whatever, there will be a huge number. There will be a huge number followed by 1 0. Please do not create that confusion. How many zeros are there in 10 factorial? Yes, Zeba. 10 factorial. How many zeros are we having here? Swet, Sweta, yeah, look at your answer. It is you're hell bent on this. Now that is E. What is the meaning of E? Calculator cannot simplify this. Calculator cannot give you that value. So they have written power E and some value. Okay. In 10, what is the meaning of 10 factorial? 1 into, I get affected by such things. So when you give me the answers, please give me answers very responsibly. 2 zeros, because that number, how many fives kahan milega aapko? You will get 5 in 5 and 10. So how many fives do you have? 2 fives. Whereas if you look at twos, you will get twos in 2, 4, 6, 8. So here you have got 1, here you have got 2, here you have got 1, and here you have got 3. So collectively, if you add, you are going to be having 8 twos. How many zeros are there? Obviously, we should be focusing upon number of fives. No, Sweta, I am not saying that you do not have right to ask questions. You have all the rights. And I respected that right. I tried to simplify that. All that I'm saying is what you did on calculator was wrong. You did not interpret that. Okay? Let us not get into argument. You're here to learn, I am here to teach. Okay? Yes, Yushra. Now probably you guys are understanding that in 10 factorial, obviously number of 2's will be more than number of 5's. So rather than focusing on number of 2's, what is that you should be doing? You should be focusing upon number of 5's. Okay? This is not 10, madam. This is 10 factorial. It is not 10. I am not asking you how many zeros are there in 10. I am asking you how many zeros are there in 10 factorial. What is the meaning of 10 factorial? You multiply all the natural numbers from 1 to 10. 1 into 2 into 3 into so forth and so on. Okay? Is that okay? Now, what if I ask you this? How many zeros 11 factorial has? How many zeros 12 factorial and then 13 factorial and then 14 factorial has? Tell me. How many zeros these numbers have? Harish, 10 factorial had 2 zeros. Okay. All of these numbers are going to be having only two fives. Why two fives? Because five always comes. Look at this. Five is always in the table of 5, 10, and then 15, and then 20, so forth and so on. What is the meaning of 11 factorial? You multiply all the numbers from 1 to 11, right? 5 will always be 2. So all these numbers are going to be having two zeros. Where are those two zeros? So there will be certain number. I do not know what is that number. That number, that some numeric value followed by two zeros. That is what I am trying to say. Why only Harish? Why only one pair? Because you're confused with this. 10 also has a 5, no? 2 into 5. Why you're discarding the 5 of 10? If you factorize 10, you will get 1 5 from there also. Okay? Okay, people. Tell me how. Yes, they have asked such questions. How many zeros are there in 15 factorial? Good job, people. Good job. Very good. Almost everybody is getting now what we are talking about. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, then. What about this question? You do the factorization, Bhavna. If you have got 10 somewhere, do the factorization of 10. 10 is always 2 into 5. Yahi hai na? And utilize that 2 and 5 in your problem, in whichever way they are asking. 5 factorial. You want to find out the last digit of these numbers. So last digit, here the last digit is 0. Here the last digit is 0. Here the last digit 0, 0, 0. Over here 0. So what is the last digit? Last digit is always 0. Isn't it simple? No, Deepinder, please, it is not 7, it is 0. With 5 factorial, you told me 5 factorial will have 1 0. And by the way, 5 factorial is 120. So does it have a 0? Yes. 6 factorial will also have 1 0. What is this value? 720. This 0. Then you have got 7 factorial. 7 factorial, the value is 5040. Again, you have got 0. Then 8 factorial. 8 factorial is, this is 0, 320. And look at it, again 0. So if you add them up, don't you think that addition of all these numbers will give you 0? Is it okay, Himanusha? No, how many zeros? I am asking you what is the last digit of this. And 9 factorial if you want to find out. So this is 0, 280, and then something like 0, and then 362. Over here you have also 0. Then you have got 10 factorial. So that number will be 3628800. Add them up. And I say, what is going to be digit at the unit place? The digit at the unit place is always going to be 0. And you don't have to write these values. All that you have to do, you have to have an understanding that this number will have 1 0 at the end of it. This number will have 0 at the end of it. This number will have 0 at the end of it. This number 0, this number 0, this number 0. When you add all the zeros, what is that you're going to get? 0. Is that okay? So I'm moving forward with some simple questions. Tell me if whatever I have written is correct or not. So those of you who joined late, please be patient because let me come to the new topic. Is it correct? Is it correct? Ten factorial to 14 factorial, all the numbers will have two zeros. All the numbers will have two zeros. Is that okay? Good job. How many zeros will 25 factorial be having? Batao. 25 factorial. How many zeros it can have? Yeah, Zeba, you're getting the right answer. Zeba, Awad, you guys are getting the right answer. Bhavna, मैंने last वाली slide में I did not solve questions. I just wrote the observation that we did. How many fives? 5 you will get here. 5 and 10 and 15 and 20 and 25. In 5 you got 1 5. Here 2 into 5, 1 5, 1 5, 1 5. Here 2 fives. Please understand this. How many fives are we having? 6 fives we are having. And how many twos are we having? We are having 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Every even number will have these, and they are going to be more than 6 any which way. So 2 raised to whatever that number we are going to be getting, it is more than 6. So how many zeros are we having? We are having 6 zeros. So those of you who wrote 5, you took only 1 5 from 25. Did we understand this now? Did we understand this now? No worries. One more chance for you people. How many zeros are there in 50 factorial? Fifty factorial. How many zeros does it have? Zeba, Gargi, Radhika, please correct it. No, 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 no. Devansh is getting the right answer. Charmi, Harika, Kritika, Dipender, guys are getting the right answer. Yasin, you're getting the right answer. Nidhi, you're Nihal, you're getting the right answer. कैसे करोगे? देखो 5 कहाँ पे मिलेगा? Where are you gonna get the 5? Where are you gonna get the 5s? 5 5 you're getting from 5 1. So 5, I would say 5 to 50. You that 10 you have already counted, but in 25 and 50 you will have additional 5s because 25 is 5 into 5 and 50 is 2 into 5 into 5. Do you understand? So additional fives are there. One in 25, other in 50. So how many fives are there? Collectively 12. So how many zeros you're going to be having? 12 zeros. So those of you who are writing 10 zeros or 11 zeros, did you realize your mistake? Did you realize your mistake? Vanshika, you're getting 35 zeros? What are you saying? Okay then. Yes, 25 is to be included. What if you have got 75 factorial? Tell me, how many zeros are in 75 factorial? All the multiples of 5 from 5 to 50 are included, Vanshika. Bhavna, you can do that, yes. Yeah, we can do that. Those of you who are saying 25 factorial into 2, yes, you can do that. There is nothing wrong. 18 is the right answer. You know what? Uh, 5 to 75. If you do the counting of 5 to 75, you will already be, if you take 1 5 from them, from each one of them, you're going to have 15. And then you have got 5, 25, and 50, and 75. 25 will have two fives. 50 will have 50 is what? Two fives. And 75 is 25 into 3. So 3 into 5 into 5. So do you see that they have got additional 3 fives? Is that okay? Somebody who says how to find twos, please do not need to find twos out here, because we have an understanding that in factorial, number of twos will be always more than number of fives. Number of twos will always be more than number of fives. 50 factorial का आंसर 12 zeros होगा. Somebody says I'm getting confused with this. 75 factorial में कैसे निकालोगे? So what is that you should be doing out here? Those of you who are getting confused, hold on. In order to find number of zeros in 75 factorial, what did I say? You need to focus on the multiples of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So how many zeros? How many fives? Let me count the number of fives from here. Here you got 1, here you got 1, here you have got 1, here you have got 1. In 25 you have 2. In 30 you have 1. In 35 1. In 41, 45, 9 into 5. And this is 25 into 2, so 2. Here you have 1, here you have 1, here you have 1, here you have 1, but here you have 2. Add them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 to 18. So how many fives are we having? 18 fives. Arey Baba, 25, if you do the prime factorization of 25, So cannot 25 be written 5 into 5? Is that okay? Charmy, yes. Chalo ji. If you guys are getting this, I'm moving forward. Find the number of digits over here in this problem. This value is 2 raised to 5 into, what do you have? 5 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 5 is what? Please see this. This is 2. That is the meaning of 2 raised to 5, isn't it? And that is the meaning of, how many 5s do you have? So this 2, this 5 will make 110. 2 into 5. This will make another 10. This will make another 10. And this will make another 10. So how many times you have 10? 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. If you multiply them all, so that will be, that is why this is 1 2 1 followed by how many zeros? This into 2 bolega. So that number will come out as what? 20,000. Are you getting? How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4. Apart from this, you have got another 2. So what is going to be the find the number of digits? 1 2 3 4 5. So number of digits will be 5. Is this okay? Is this okay? So those of you who are saying 4 zeros, you're saying your answer is right. But how many digits will be in this number? The number of digits will be 4 zeros plus this 2. So number of digits will be 5. Okay. Go ahead and find out in this. 1000. Did I make a mistake? Yes. My final answer was correct, Devansh. Still, thank you so much. Solve this problem. 2 is common, no, Baba? Harish, 2 raised to 5 tha wo. So that this number will come out as 5 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of digits will be still 5. Chandan, please correct. Number of digits will be 4 zeros plus that one 5. Is it okay? Please do not write 6, Priyanshu. Priyanshu, Chandan, Manjari. Please correct. Rosaline, you're getting the right answer. Good job, people. Very good. Yeah, go ahead here. Find the number of digits. Explain again that problem, last problem. It was 5 raised to 5 and then 2 raised to 4. So if you look at 5 into 5 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 4. So this will give you what? 4 zeros. So 5 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Is this okay? What is this number? What is this number? 2 raised to 20. into 5 raised to 10. What can we write this number as? 2 raised to 10 plus 10 into 5 raised to 10, which is 2 raised to 10 into 2 raised to 10 into 5 raised to 10. So from here you will have zeros. How many zeros? How many zeros, people? 10 zeros. And yesterday you learned the value of 2 raised to 10. What is the value of 2 raised to 10? 2 raised to 10 is 1024. So that number is what? 1024 followed by how many zeros? 10 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is going to be the number of digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 zeros and then 4201. So number of digits will be 14. Clear hai ye? Are we doing okay with these kind of problems, people? Each one of you. Finally, are you guys getting this? Let me know in the comment section. Your teacher needs motivation from you. Answer 14 aayega na bhai. It is going to be 1024 followed by 10 zeros. Somebody who says they're not getting. What is your problem out here? Your problem is 2 raised to 20 into 5 raised to 10. So obviously number of fives are 10. So what did I do? I took out 10 twos. Now from here I can say that there will be 10 zeros, right? And what is the value of 1024? It is 1024 into 10 zeros followed by 10 zeros. So number of digits in 1024, number of digits 4. But you have got 10 zeros also. So number of digits will be 14 in the question. Is it okay, Himanshu? All right then. Would you like to try this problem? And I would be really very happy if you can solve this problem. Please try this out. It will take a couple of days. And those of you who are saying that yesterday it is better than yesterday, in a couple of days you will understand me. In a couple of days I will understand you. In a couple of days I will know the names. Mahi. Ketan, Mahi, you guys are reaching there. You have done 90% of the work, but then you're missing out on something. Devansh, maybe you're getting the right answer. Devansh and Rahul. No, I am not talking, Yushra, I'm not talking about the number of zeros. All that I'm talking about is how many digits your number is having. So when you say 1024, so this number is what? 2 raised to 10 raised to 4. And 125 is 5 raised to 3 raised to 11. So this number is 2 raised to 40 and 5 raised to 33. Right? So this number becomes what? 2 raised, because we want 33 zeros. So 2 raised to 7 into 2 raised to 33 and 5 raised to 33. So 33 zeros are there. And what is the value of 2 raised to 7? 2 raised to 7 is 128. 128 followed by 33 zeros. So number of digits will be what? 136, isn't it? Will it be 36? Chalo ji. I got some interesting questions for you. Count the number of sevens. You always get counting problems. It is not even a possibility that a year goes by and UPSC does not ask you some counting of the digits. So the problems that we are going to do now is counting of the digits. Chalo ji, batao, what is the answer? या एक मिनट लास्ट वाला बाकी लोग करो इसको. हाँ, some of you did not understand the last problem. Yes, who did not understand? Ketan, you were getting 36. Everybody was getting this. Huh. 19. 15 sevens. Now, let me count 7 for you. Ketan, 33 zeros plus 3 digits of 128. 128 has got 3 digits. देखो, here 7 and then you have got 17 and then 27 and 37 and 47 and 57 67 यही ना 77 87 97. So my question is how many sevens are there at unit place? Say this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Even if this number has got 2 sevens, even if 77 has got 2 sevens, I am not counting 2 sevens. I'm counting this 7 which is at the unit place. So how many sevens you're going to be having? How many sevens you're going to be having at unit place from 1 to 100? It is 10. Now, if I give you number of sevens from 70, look at this number: 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. And the question is how many sevens are at unit place, are at tens places. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now this, see, I am counting it now. 10. So what did I say? So how many? Kya Pushpanjali? The question is not mentioned. Number of sevens from the counting of 1 to 100. Those of you who still were confused, what kind of question did I write? Let me rephrase my sentence. when you're writing the counting from 1 to 100, right? When you're writing it from 1 to 100, I am asking you how many times you have written 7. Is that okay now? Is that okay now? So what is that we are understanding? We're understanding that from 1 to 100, please see this. 7 is written 20 times. 10 times it appears at unit places, and 10 times it appears at tens places. Is that okay? Is that okay? Give me a, let me know in the comment section that you're understanding this. Did you understand this black line what I have written? But in how many numbers 7 appears? In how many numbers 7 appears? 7 appears in 19 numbers. So those of you who were very, very close, 19 and 20. How many times are you writing? 20 times. But in how many numbers you're writing? You're writing 77. You see? You're writing in 19 numbers. So 1 to 100, 1 to 100, there are 19 numbers where 7 appears. But how many times 7 is written? 20 times. Does this make sense? Let me know in the comment section. Because this is something which is the building block of the problems that we are going to do. How many times you're writing? 20 times. But in how many numbers does it come? Only 77. देखो ना, what is my problem out here? You write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Have you written this in childhood? 11 12 13 14 15 16 up to 20, then 21 22 up to 30. Similarly, it goes from 91 92 93 up to 100. And I say that when you're writing from 1 to 100, how many times are you writing 7? Is that okay? Now is it okay? Now is it okay that 7 comes in 7 comes 20 times? Now is this question clear? Okay, then if this question is clear to you, tell me how many times 2 appears in the counting of 1 to 100. What will be your answer, people? What will be your answer? 20 times. Everybody says 20 times. Good job, people. Everybody says 20 times. Good job. How many times 3 will appear? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Will they appear 20 times? All of them? 20 times each? Is this okay? 20 times. How many times 1 appears? How many times 1 appears in the counting of 1 to 100? And then you have 1 at 100 space, which is 1 time. So collectively, how many times 1 will appear? 1 will appear 21 times. Good job. So each one of you getting this. Okay, good job. समझ में आ रहा है? Let me know in the comment section, just for my knowledge, which state you're coming from. Write down name of your state. Since I do not know your face, I only see your names. But we are the teachers. We always want to be in touch with our students, connected to our students. Bihar, West Bengal. Rosaline is from Pondicherry. Swati, UP. Ayush from West Bengal. Shubham, Telangana, Karnataka, Delhi, AP, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. And when I Harish is from Pondicherry, Andhra Pradesh, but came to Telangana for coaching, Rajasthan, hometown. And Jashveer is from Bihar. I am born and brought up in Varanasi. My childhood, I was born and brought up in Varanasi, and as of now, I am settled in Chandigarh. Good to know people are coming from across India. Are you guys understanding what are we? What I try to teach? Because my subject is something which is very unique, and this is where it your motivation level goes ups and downs. Like there will be a problem you understand thoroughly, and then there will be a problem you say that either he does not know or what is the problem with him, he cannot make us understand, or I am not getting that, others are getting that. Somebody did schooling from Hindi troubles are, do I try to speak in Hindi? You know what the problem with me is, I try to teach Hindi and English both batches, and in a day sometimes I am required to switch into Hindi and sometimes I'm required to switch into English. So I sometimes students will have to remind me that hold on, this is Hindi medium batch, please do not speak in English. And sometimes in English medium students will say that hold on, please speak in English, we do not understand Hindi. Yeah. All right then. There are people who do not understand. My wife is Malayali. I am married to a Malayali girl, right? She mostly does not understand Hindi. So in my in-laws' house, I am like a dumb person because all of them are speaking in Malayalam. So I understand when you do not understand something. Yeah. What do you think? Yeah. It what somebody says. No, Krishna, you're very much visible. Yes, we met in our business school. Uh, we realized that only we both can tolerate each other. So we were doing our MBA together. I am a Bania from Uttar Pradesh. So for my parents, it was a huge loss that I got. No, my somebody is asking me, did you write UPSC? I did not write UPSC. I wrote CAT. I went to a business school. I ran startups. I do business. Bhavna, you're from Varanasi. Uh, I came from I did BTech, and then after my BTech, I worked in corporate, and then I did my MBA. And I had a different ecosystem. I still have a different ecosystem. I run a company which has everything about that. Sweta is trying to say MBA I did from SIBM Pune, if you know the college MBA. Okay, Shreya, you're from Muradabad, UP. So I did it from SIBM Pune. SIBM is one of the top 10 colleges. Yes, Gurucharan, I live in Chandigarh. I came to Chandigarh after we had a kid. We wanted our kid to be raised. Previously, we were in Gurgaon, so I did not like Gurgaon much. So we came back here. I have got 1,000 plus students from in different IMs. लो लो सारे अब पूछ रहे हैं अब ये कॉलेज कैसा है वो कॉलेज कैसा है दैट काउंसलिंग कैन बी डन डिफरेंटली लेट अस फोकस हियर या माय वाइफ इज वाइस प्रेसिडेंट शी इज एमबीए या या no, I am not going to try UPSC. I'm settled. I do my things. I love my things. Chalo, no more personal questions. Focus, people, focus. I wanted you to be comfortable with me. Okay. Now, since you're very much comfortable with me, okay. All right. Chalo. This is what you solved, right? Yes, Mr. Neha, I can see your messages. Sometimes I do not try to avoid messages, but there's so many messages that are coming up. So if it misses, I'm really very sorry. I try to read, but then uh, yeah. Solve. Will all of them be 20 times people? Will all of them be there 20 times? Okay. No, not 21. No, not 21. All of these will appear 20 times only. So one appears 21 times. Do you understand? And then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. They will appear 20 times. How many times 0 will appear? Tell me. No, Shweta, it appears 20 times. In 19 numbers you are using. But how many times are you writing 7? You're writing 20 times. How many times 0 comes, people? 0. How many times 0 comes? 0 comes only 11 times. 0 comes only 11 times. In 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. See this? In 100 you have got 2 times, and 10 to 90 you have got 9 times. Collectively, how many times are you having? So you're having it 11 times only. So what is the answer of this problem, people? The answer of this problem is 11. No, अक्षर 2 does not appear 19 times. कैसे मैं बताऊं यार? All of them are appearing 20 times. How come you're saying that? See, 2 appears in, somebody says how 19 times 2 is appearing. देखो यूनिट प्लेस पे 2, 12 है ना, and then 22 and 32 and 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92, and then 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and then 29. So how many times you're having at unit place? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. I'm not counting this one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many times 2 appears at tens place? देखो 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6, and then 7, and then 8, and then 9, and then 10. How many times 10 appears at unit places? 10 times. How many times 2 appears at tens places? 2 times. Sorry, my bad. 10 times. So collectively, how many times does it appear? Sweta, I have to calculate 77 में 2 times, no? 1 at unit place and this 7 at the tens place. How many times? In 77, 7 appears 2 times. 2 appear. Akshat, now is it okay with you? Akshat, Rosaline, Shweta, that when you're writing 1 to 100, 2 will appear 20 times. In how many numbers 2 will appear? 19 numbers. Written and appears, both of them have the same meaning. Sudhir, if somebody still is confused, let me write down this statement. I will say that 2 is written 2 is written in 19 numbers, but appears 20 times, 10 times at unit place and 10 times at tens place. Is this okay now? Okay, Akshata, sorry. So Shruti, I took 22 2 times. You see, I took 22 2 times. 22, I counted it here, and then over here I counted here. Okay, let us move forward. Okay, what do I have out here before we go for the break? Listen to my problem. What did I do? I wrote the counting of 1 to 124 without any space, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 99 100 101 up to 124. So now this has become a very huge number. Do you understand? This has become a big number. What do you have to do? You have to tell me how many times you're writing 3 here. Go ahead, tell me. How many times are you writing? How many times are you writing 3? Now you're getting the problem? Because 1 to 100, you don't have to do the counting. It already is there 20 times. If somebody tries to calculate, yes, Jyoti, they have appeared. And another 3 will be 103, 113, and 123. So 1, 2, and then 3. So collectively 23 times. How many times 0 will appear? How many times 0 will appear? Is it 22 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 to 100 you had already calculated, right? 1 to 100 you had calculated 11. And this is 11. So 11, 11, how much is this? 22. Done? Is it okay with everybody? Now, very similar problem was asked in 2023 paper. Do you guys want break or shall we continue? Break or continue? We will take Bhavna, उस question को मैं let me address that question. So, we'll take a very short break, 10 minutes break. In my watch, as of now, this is 7:38. I will see you at 7:48. In the meantime, you might want to solve this problem. Okay. Pooja, Telegram group bete. It is Amit Kumar Jaiswal. You will find me. Okay. If still you are not getting, let me know. Roslyn, you can also find out. In the meantime, what we have to find out this one also. Number of 1 here. And this one is a pretty good problem to solve. Find this one. And I will see you later. I'm gonna take the break. 7:48, I'm gonna see you. Okay. find out the number of ones here. Just give me a second. How many times are we getting people? Uh, so, there is a variation of the answers. Just give me one more minute. Just give me one more minute. You see, let us try to solve this problem. One to 100. It is 21 times. And everybody did that, okay? Everybody did that. Now, just a second. Then we have got the entire confusion is to find out 101 to 123. And let me do it systematically. Let me do it systematically 100 times. At the hundreds place, do not you think that each one of them 101, 102, 103, 104, every time at hundreds place you will have one. So how many times how many 124 let me it is rather than 124. So this is 124 and 24. And then at the unit place, how many times you're going to have at the unit place? Unit place, see, 101 this, 111 this, and 121 this. So how many times at unit place you will be having? 3 times. And then tens place. At the tens place, 1 will appear for the first time where? 110 over here, and then 111, and then 112, up to what number? 119. So 110, 110 to 119. How many times? 10 times at unit basis. So this is 10 times. Collectively, if you see, that is coming out of us 24 plus 3, 34, and then 37. 37 this plus 21 there. How many times you are having? 58 times. How many times? 58 times. I will do it here for you to understand. Hundreds place. I will write at hundreds place. What is this? 101, 102, 103, 104 up to 124. Every number will have so 24 times, right? Then tens place. Tens place, because one will appear either at unit place or tens place or 100s place. It cannot appear anywhere else. Do you understand what I'm saying? It cannot appear anywhere else. So at tens place, 110 to 119. How many such numbers are there? There are 10 such numbers. 10 numbers. So how many times you will have 10? How many times you will have one at tens place? 10 times. Is that okay? 1 to 100, it is 21 times, Bhavna, not 20 times. And then we found it out at the unit place. Unit place over here, this is 1, 101, and then 1, 111, and then 121. These are the only places where you will have. So at unit places, 3 times. Tens, as I already said, it is 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, so forth and so on up to 119, 10 times. So what is that we are having here? We are having hundreds place 24 times, tens place 10 times, unit place 3 times. So that comes out as 37 times from 101 to 124. And then 1 to 100 you had counted. What was that? 21 times. So 21 plus 37. What is this value? 58 times. Is this okay? Is this okay? Is everybody convinced with that? Now please understand, if you do not do it systematically, you will only waste your time in the examination. I did it systematically from 101 to 124. I did not do it randomly. I found out because I know for sure that it is going to be either at unit place or at the tens place or at the hundreds place. So how many one will be at the unit place? How many one will be at the tens place? How many one will be at the hundreds place from 101 to 124? And 1 to 100, I had an understanding which is 21. Is it okay? Let us go. Let us find out this problem. What is that I wanted you to find out? I wanted you to find out this one. What is the answer of this problem? Yasin, such problems will take very easily 2 minutes. Nothing less than that. Harika, Dunesh, you're writing. Dunesh, you're doing this. For me, sum of all the digits. So when I go from 10, for me 10 is not 10. 10 is 1 plus 0. That becomes 1. 11 will become 1 plus 1, which is 2. Then 12 will becomes 1 plus 2, that is 3. Do you understand? sum of all the digits 1 3 1 plus 4, which is sum will become 5. 1 plus 3 4. I need you to write all the digits from 1 to 100. All the digits from 1 to 100. Right? All the digits. Sum of numbers obviously will be 5050. Shashwati, you're getting an answer. Very good. Very good. I'm highly impressed with Dipinder. Very good, Dipinder. Very good. No, it is not. The problem is out here when you write one 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 up to 99 plus 100. That answer is 5050. But I am not asking you to find out sum of the numbers. What is my question? My question is sum of all the digits. So for me, 10 is not 10. For me, 10 has become 1 plus, for me, 10 has become 1 plus 0, which is 1. This has become 2. This has become 3. This has become 4. This has become 5. This is 18 and this is 1. Now the problem is clear to you? Please let me know if the question is clear to you. Now, so what is that I am trying to say? If you're writing 1 to 100, please understand this, 1 to 100. 1 to 10, so how many times digits? Please understand. When you're saying digits, 121 times. 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9. They are appearing how many times? 20 times each. So 2 appears 20 times. So what is for 1 sum is going to be what? 1 into 21. 21. How about 2? 2 into 20. Because 3 appears 20 times, 4 appears 20 times, so forth and so on. 9 appears 20 times. Did you understand this line out here? Rest is the calculation. We can do it. What is that I'm doing? I'm utilizing what I learned over there, that number of 1 will be 21 from 1 to 100, whereas number of 2 to 9 will be 20 times only. Yes or no? Now, if I have to simplify, what I should be doing? So 1 into 21 tha. So 1 into 21. Just to make it simplified, I am writing 1 into 21. 1 into 20 plus 2 into 20 plus 3 into 20 plus up to 9 into 20. So for me, it will be very easy to take out 20, and then this will become 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 9. So 20 into 1 to that sum will become what? 9 into 10 divided by 2. So 20 into 45, that will become 900. But 900 for what? 900 plus 21 was 21 times, so that is why 1 will appear. So that will become 901. हाँ, तो बाद में 1 ऐड किया ना. Those of you are saying 1 is written 20 times. What did I do? Because 2, 3, 4, 5, all of them are written 20 times. So I also wrote 120 times just to make it congruent, just to simplify my calculation. And finally, I will add 1 there. That is why I did not say the answer is 900. What did I say? The answer is 900 plus 1. Third step, 1 to 9, you have to find out the sum, right? What is the sum of n numbers? Summation of n. That formula is what? n plus 1 by 2. So when you want to find out sum of first 9 natural numbers, it has to be 9 into 9 plus 1, 10 divided by 2. Is that okay? Or you do it manually if you have the time. So that will come out as this sum over here. This sum over here will come out as 45. Do you understand this? So 45 into 20 will come out as 900. How many of you understood this? Let me know in the comment section. And then I will ask how many of you did not understand. Let me know in the comment section how many of you are understanding this. Sweta, I will take care of your doubt. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many did not understand? Now, what is this I can do for you? I can say that 1 is written 21 times. So I'm writing 20 times. 1, I'm keeping it aside. Right? How many times you are writing 2? 20 times. How many writing 3? 20 times. How many if you're writing 4? 20 times. So forth and so on. How many times you're writing 9? 20 times. 1 to 100. That is what you have done. That is what you have done. Okay. Did you understand this on the board? Those of you who were saying did not understand, go on the comment section and tell me, did you understand this line? Did you understand this? Okay then. And 1 I have kept aside. Those of you who are not understanding, only those. Now, if it is 20 times, what is the sum of those ones? 1 into 20, right? Over here, what will be the sum? 2 is written 20 times. So what is the sum? 2 into 20. And then over here, 3 into 20, right? And then 4 into 20. भाई 10 कंसीडर कर लिया ना, 10 का मतलब ही that is why 10 is 1 plus 0, 1, right? And then 9 into 20. Now go in the comment box and tell me you're understanding this thing, that I'm talking about the sum. Is it okay? You want to find out sum of all the digits. So what do? You have to add them up. Yes or no? You have to find out sum of all of it. How do you find out sum of all of it? This is 1 into 20 plus 2 into 20 plus 3 into 20. यही कर रहे हो ना? That is what you're doing. So forth and so on. Plus 9 into 20. And I said that, okay, you can take 20 out of it. 20 if you take out, what do you have then? From here you will have 1. From here you will have 2. From here you will have 3. From here you will have 9. Is this okay now? And then 20. When you find out this sum, it is coming out as 45. So what is this value? 900. But my answer is not going to be 900. My answer is going to be 900 plus that one, which was 21 times. And I wrote it only 20 times. We want some. Yes, we want some. That is why we are doing it. No, Devansh. We want some of the digits. We do not want some of the numbers. You're getting confused, Devansh. You're finding out some of the numbers. And the question is asking you to find out some of digits that appear in all the numbers. Is your question taken care of? Yes. Yes, Bhavna. Some, what is the formula out there? I will be coming back to you. What is the formula of that formula? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to n. This is known to be sum of first n natural numbers, right? Sum of first n natural numbers, and that will be n into n plus 1 by 2. So when you want to find out 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 9, what is that you will do? You will write up at the place of n, you will write 9. So this is 9 into 9 plus 1, which is 10, divided by 2. That is the formula. Yes, those of you who are not getting it, you're reading the question wrong. I am not asking you to find out sum of numbers is one thing. Finding sum of digits is one thing. And that is coming out as 45. So in this question, this is where I have applied 45. Is this okay? So total answer what is the final answer of this problem? It is 1901. Is this okay? Is this okay? Now this is your UPSC CSAT 2023 problem. problem. Solve it. Yasin, you again made that mistake. So this is going to be 901 minus 45. The final answer is 956. 856. 856. Now, do you see the level of your questions that they're asking you in the examination? Hold on, I made something is not right. I have to fix it. So did you see the standard of your problems, the standard of your questions? I don't know why this is happening. I deducted 45 because they do not want you to find out sum from 1 to 100. They want you to find out sum from 10 to 100. Did you understand, Dabi? Okay. Let us move forward. Now, this is the question. Again, it was asked in UPSC CSAT 2020 paper. This is what they had asked in 2020. Solve this problem, people. Solve this. See what you can do. Again, there is a problem. Let me fix this green screen live. Yeah, now it is fixed. Everybody says 200. Dinesh, move a bit here. 1 to 120 times. How come 1 to 1020 times? Mahi is getting the right answer. Dipender is getting the right answer. See this. Likewise, 1 to 100 or 1012 200 or 2012 300 or 3012 400. Every time you're having 20 times at unit place and tens place. So what did you do? You multiplied to 20 with 10 and you said 200, which is okay. It is a partial answer. If I ask you how many times 7 will appear at the unit place and the tens place from 1 to 1000, your answer is absolutely correct. Your answer is absolutely correct. But what is your question? From 1 to 1000, you have to add all the sevens. Will 7 appear at hundreds place? Yes, it will appear. When will it appear at first time at hundreds place? 700. And when will it appear last time? 799. So you think of those numbers: 701, 702, 703, 704, 705. Up to all the numbers have 1 7. And how many such numbers are there? 100 numbers. So how many times you're having? 200 that you counted very easily, plus this 100. How many times you're having 300 times? Is that okay, Nihal? It is not 299. So 700 to 790. And there are people who will say that there are 99 numbers. No, there are 100 numbers. No, we are not asking the sum, Hemanusha. We are talking about how many times 7 appears. Is that okay? Give me thumbs up if you understand that from 1 to 1000, 7 will appear 300 times. We have counted tens. Yes, our answer is 300. Yeah. And in that, one to 1000, I'm talking about 7 only. I'm talking about 100 times it appears at unit place. 100 times it appears at tens place. And 100 times it appears at hundreds place. So collectively, how many times does it appear? 300 times. Yeah, Yasin, your problem is from 700 to 799, you're taking 99. whereas there are 100 such numbers. Zeba and what happened to you guys? What happened to you guys? 7012799. Here you have 99 numbers. But 700 to 799, how many numbers? 100 numbers. What are you guys doing? Is that okay now? Okay then. Now, like Bhavna was saying, that all the numbers will appear 100 times, 300 times. Yes. So let me write it down. 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 9. All of them will appear 300 times. Is that okay? But one will appear how many times? 301 times. Do you also understand this? Why one will appear at 301 times? Because you're talking about 1 to 1000. So now this one, we calculated at tens place, unit place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place. We did not do the counting, and hence it is coming out as 301 times. Shweta says we did the counting. Yeah, that is the problem here. Shweta says we did the counting from where to where? 601 to 700. From 601 to 700, you did the counting for unit place, which was 10. You did counting for tens place, which was 10. You did not do counting for hundreds place, and you wrote only 20. It might take some time. It might take some time, but you will understand. Right? So each I am looking at your doubts. If they are relevant, I'm going to be asking. I'm going to address it. So So Shweta, your doubt 601 to 700. You have 700, and I say that okay, it is there. But that 20 you counted was at the unit place and tens place. You did not do the counting of hundred spaces. Is that okay, Shweta? Now, who else is under is confused? Okay. What if I ask you this question? What if I ask you how many times 3 will appear in the counting of 1 to 1000? In the counting of 1 to 1000. Tell me what is the answer? What is the answer? Everybody is getting this? Good job. Almost everybody, Krishna and Roshlin, everybody is getting. Good job. Now go ahead. All your doubts will be addressed now. 701 to 800. How many seven sevens? Simple. It is hundreds place 99. Unit and tens 20. So 20 plus 99, 119. Majority of those of you are getting 120, you're making the mistake. I am not asking you to count 700 to 800. If I will ask you to count 700 to 800, then your answer is 120 times. Is that okay? Okay then. Chalo, what is the answer of this problem? Find the number of sevens from 700 to 800. Now your answer is going to be 120. Charmi, please correct yourself. So, what did I say? 7012 800. It is 119 times. 700 to 800. What is answer? 120 times. Are we clear with this? Everybody give me the thumbs up if you have understood the difference over here. And since these questions are really very close, you will always have a possibility of getting it incorrect. Okay then. Everybody has understood? Everybody has understood? Good job, people. Now do this for me. How many times are there from 500 to 800? They're simple, Bhumi. Once you understand how to do the calculation, how are we doing it how are you doing easily, then it becomes very easy for you. So please do not type. This is my sincere advice. You being my younger sister, the more you keep typing, I am not understanding. I'm not understanding. One, you're creating the panic. Second, you're involved in that writing that I'm not. By the time everybody is understanding, looking at the screen, you just have wasted that one minute where actually you needed to understand. Rather, if there is one doubt which is a pertinent, please ask. So 500 to 800 unit and tens, unit and tens, it is going to be 60 times, right? It is going to be 60 times, and hundreds will be 100 times. So collectively, how many times are we talking about? 160 times. Nihal, how come you're getting 150? How come 20 500 to 600, 20 600 to 700, 20 700 to 800, unit place and tens place? So collectively, unit place and tens place, and then this 100 at the hundreds place. So collectively, it is going to be 160. Is that okay? Is that okay? Let me know in the Charmi, you're getting 161. How come? It is 160, bete. Okay. And now this one is a good problem to solve. Take your time. Try to solve it. It's a very good problem. But do we have a formula to such problems? No. Dunesh, the problem will very specifically tell you 120 to 130, including both. Or by the way, if they do not say anything, you have to include them. If the problem does not specify, please include both of them. Did you understand, Dunesh? Good job, Sumit. Good job. Tell me the answer, people. All right, let me do this for you. Let me do this for you. I got your answers. 1 to 100. 1 to 100. Will it be 11 times? We did that calculation 11 times, right? 101 to 200. It is 20 times. Please say this. It is 20 times. 10 zeros at the unit place. 10 zeros at the tens place. Very good, Dabi. Shreya, Dabi, you guys are getting the right answers. So 101 to 200. So we can also say that 201 to 300, you will have 20 zeros. So similarly, can I say, I'm just going to bifurcate this problem for you. And I say that what if I have to do color change karo 101 to 101 to 1000. I say that unit and tens if I have to do, will that be 20 into 9, which is 180? 101 to 200. Had it been 1 to 1000, then you would have done 10 into 20. But 101 to 1000, it is going to be about 20, 20, 20, 20, 20 each time. So that is 180. Now, in 180, you will be adding that 11. That makes it 191. But look at 1000. You have added unit place. You have added tens place. Did you add hundreds place? No, you did not add for 1000, because we have done all the additions for unit and tens. So now 191 plus 1, the answer will become 192. It's a very close call. But did we understand why the answer is 192? 101 to 220. 201 to 320, every time 20. So you go from 101 to 1020 into 9, 180. 180 plus 11, 180 plus somebody. Ketan says prove it. I am trying to prove it. Why did we add 1 at the end? Because say this, you have got 1000, right? You have got 1000, and you have added all the zeros at the unit place and at the tens place. Did you add 0 at the hundreds place when you're writing 20 into 9? 180? No. Do you understand? Why are we adding 1 there? Because 1000 has got 10 at hundreds place. Is this okay? And that is how 1 has to be added out here. Are we clear with this problem? Ketan, did you understand what I am talking about? Is that okay? Let us move forward, people. For what? For zeros, Bhamna, Pooja. Rest of you solve this problem, people. Those of you who still are not getting that. I did 20 into 9 plus 1 for zeros from 101 to 1000. Because you are, when you say 20 into 9, you are talking about zeros at tens place, zeros at unit place. You did not count 0 anywhere at hundreds place. So 100, 1000 has 10 at the hundreds, thousands place, hundreds place. No, Radhika, there is no shortcut, Bacha. And that is why it has to be 180 plus 1. Did you understand, Bhamna? Pooja, did you understand? Rest of you solve this problem. A book has, now this has also appeared in your examination 2021 CSAT. It has already appeared, this question. What are we doing here? A book has 360 pages. Find the sum of all the digits. So let us assume that there are page numbers, page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, page number 4, page number 5, page number 6, so forth and so on. So all these page numbers are going to be having digits on them. So page number 10, how many digits? 2 digits. Page number 13, How many digits? 2 digits. Page number 121, how many digits? 3 digits. I would like you to find out total number of digits. I am not asking you to find the sum of the digits. I'm asking you what is the total sum of the digits. Let me know in the comment section. What is the answer? देखो, पेज नंबर 1 to page number 9. How many pages are there? 9. Then you have got page number 10 to page number 99. How many pages do you have? This is where you have got to be careful. There are 90 such pages. 9 pages. It is 90 pages. Why 90 pages? Because how do you find it out? I say that is a very simple method. It's 99 minus 10 and then make it plus 1. You want to include both. So that is coming out as what? 90. Then you have got page number 100 to page number 360. How many pages are there collectively? If you look at it, there are 261 pages. Did you understand this? Not 260, Manjari. This is where students will make the mistake. It is 360. How do you calculate it? You subtract the smaller from the bigger. So it looks like 260, but it is not 260. It is 260 plus 1. Because we want to include 100 and 360 both. Is that okay? Since we want to include 100 and 360 both, what do we have to do? We have to add 1 there. We did something similar over here. Now, so you got page number 1 to page number 9. So 9 pages. Page number 10 to page number 99. 90 pages. You have to be convinced with this. Only then we can move forward. Page number 100 to page number 360. Collectively, there are 261 pages. Let me know in the comment section if you're having any problem with this. And once you have understood 9 pages, each page has 9. Each page has 1 digit. So how many digits are there collectively? 9 digits. 90 into 2. Why 90 into 2? Because each page has 2 digits. So 180. And 261 has to be multiplied by 3. 261 multiplied by 3. And that has to be 3. क्या किया मैंने? This is 1. 783 digits collectively there. So what do? You add 9 plus 180 plus 783. Did you understand what I am doing? Dekho, I do this. 972. That was your problem in 2021. How many of you not understanding? पेज नंबर देखो, ऐसे देख लेते हैं ना इसको. I do understand the problem.
देखो, when you have to do page number 1 to page number 10, how many pages are there, everybody?
Yasin, the question is, there are three. A book has got 360 pages. A book has got 360 pages. Each page number has got certain digits. So you have to find out the number of all the digits that appear on the page numbers. So one page number 1 to page number 10, you're saying 10 pages. So why are you doing this? Because larger is 10, smaller is 1, and that comes out as 9. Why you're not saying 90 pages? When we are talking about page number 100 to page number 360, you're saying 260 pages. What are you doing? 360 minus 100. Everybody says 260 pages. Why are you not saying 9 pages there? Because 9 plus 1. It is here 260 plus 1. Did you understand? Did you understand now? Why am I writing 261? If you want to include both of them, subtract the bigger, smaller from the bigger, and then add 1. Is that okay now? So let us go back to this problem. Page number 1 to page number 9, how many pages? 9 such pages. Page number 10 to page number 99, how many pages? 90 such pages. Page number 100 to page number 360, how many pages? 261 pages. So page number 1 to page number 9, each page will have only one digit, either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, so forth and so on. Page number 10 to page number 99, each page will have two digits on this. 10 has two digits, 1 and 0. Page number 11 will have two digits, 1 and 1. Page number 3 will have, page number 13 will have two digits, 1 and 3. So there are 90 pages. What is going to be the number of digits on all such 90 pages? It is 90 into 2, which is 180. Is that okay? Just a second. Just give me a minute. Sorry. Charmi, read the question. Read the question to understand. Is this okay? No, 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 no. My mistake. It is my mistake. Somebody who pointed it out very clearly. Find the my mistake. I accept it. My mistake, Sridhar. I accept it. No, no. They are not asking you some of the digits. They are not asking you some of the digits.
Number of all the digits. My bad. My bad. I'm really very sorry for that. I'm very sorry for that. But when they are asking you find the number of the digits, will 972 is fine? Let me know in the comment section. No, sorry. I am really very sorry for that. I had something in my mind and I was doing it, and then you were not in sync with me. But are you sync with me now? Are you in sync with me now? Okay then. Sum nikalna hai. This is a very difficult question. Then it should not even appear. Now please solve this one. A book has 1000 pages. Find the number of all the digits which appear on the page numbers of the book. Something is not correct. Yeah, you have what? Page number 1 to page number 9. Page number 10 to page number 99. And then page number 100 to page number 999. Let us first find out this. So how many pages are there collectively? 9 pages. Here you have got how many pages? 90 pages. And here how many pages? 900 pages. So this will give you one digit each. This will give you 2 digits each. This will give you 3 digits each. And so that comes out as 9. Oh, just a second. Just a second. There's something. And then if you, why did I multiply with these numbers? You understood? Into 2, into 3. Why do they use green screen then? Oof, it's a task for me today. I have got to correct it. Is it not sufficient for today or what? Yesterday it's fine. task. Okay, sorry. So that's what 180, and that is what 2700. So 9 plus 180 plus 2700. What is this value? This is 988. So your answer is coming out as 2889, right? What will happen to 10,000 1000? 2889 plus 4. 1000 we did not do the calculation, right? So that final answer has to be 2889 plus how many digits are there in 1000? 1 followed by 3 zeros. हाँ, 1 plus 1 नहीं होगा, plus 4 होगा. So the answer will be 2893. Yes. You're doing it right, Anjali. 2893 is the right answer. Good job. Everybody is doing the good job then. Everybody is doing a good job. Again, this question was appeared. If somebody did the typo mistake, number of all the digits that appear on the page number why did we multiply? Because Himanusha, a page which has got 2 digits on this, 90 pages have 2 digits on this. So collective number of digits on those 90 pages will be 90 into 2. Yes or no? Collective number of digits on those pages will be 90 into 2. Who? Roshleen, we added 4 because 1 to 999 we had done the calculation. But for page number, please understand this. Page number 1000 was also there. For page number 1000 we'll have what? 4 zeros. Did you understand, Roshleen? Collectively, how many digits do they have? 3189. So what is that I'm gonna do? I will try to find out. I will just surmise them. Page number 129. Page number 10 to 99. And then page number 100 to 999. That is what you did. And you found it out as 2889. Is that okay? Is that okay, people? You got it as 2889. You did the calculation in the previous problem. So, and that is very helpful here. Now, what do I do? 3189. These are the total number of digits on the pages, whereas had 2889. So this book has got 300 additional digits. So page number 999 we have already reached. Do you understand? Page number 999 we have already reached. This book has additional 300 digits. Now another number will be 1000, and then 1001, and then another page number will be 1001. So all the numbers 1000 onwards will be having 4 digits each. So 300 divided by 4. How many additional page numbers can be formed? 75. Additional page numbers can be formed 75, but you should not be writing 1075. 1075 will be the wrong answer, because out of 999 plus 75, that will come out as 1074. Did you understand this? Did you understand this? Yes or no? Please tell me. Rather than 1075, your answer has to be 1074. Those of you who are still having confusion, please say this. Please say this. Let's go in the comment section and tell me page number 1 to page number 999. There will be a total of 288 digits. Will that be okay? Will that be okay? Those of you who did not understand, go in the comment section and tell me 2889. How many additional digits are we? This problem is saying how many additional this problem is talking about? 3189. So 3189 minus 2889. How many additional digits? 300 additional digits. 300 additional digits. And 300 additional digits. So those numbers will be what? 1000 onwards. 1000 onwards. Every time 1000 onwards, every time you're going to be having, every page will have 4 digits, utilization of 4 digits, 1 followed by 3 digits, 4 digits completely, 1001, 4 digits. So those 300 extra digits can give you 75 additional numbers, can give you 75 additional numbers. So 999 plus 75, how many page numbers this book will be having? 1074. Is that okay? Did you understand, people? Shweta, what are you doing? 3189 minus 1000. क्या किया भाई, क्या किया? 3189 minus 1000. Why minus 1000? Bhavna, all the numbers will have 4 digits after 1000, not 3 digits. You only said 1000. What are you guys doing? Which smaller, which bigger? The final answer is 1074, yeah. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. As every number has 4 digits each, not 3 digits each. Do you have 3 digits each, Bhamna? Why are you doing this? 1 to Smriti, you're doing 1 to 1000, 28893. I did not do 1 to 1000. Please, those of you who are doing this, I did my calculation to 1 to 999. That is it. And I'm writing 2889. You might write 2893. That is okay. In the previous question, they were asking you, please see this. What is the previous question? So that means we are not clear with the question. A book has 1000 pages. Please understand. Let me take a deep breath. A in the previous question you had 1000 pages, and then they were asking you to find out number of digits, right? Then they were finding, and then you found out 2893 digits. What is happening in this problem? They are giving you 3189 digits. They are giving you digits on the page numbers, and then they want you to find out how many pages this book has. That is the difference. That is the difference. Did you understand the difference in the question? Did you understand? In the previous question, page numbers are given, digits are being asked. In this question, digits are given, page numbers are being asked. Shimna, it is added to 999 to get 1074. Okay, you guys do this. Let us not drag this question out here. You post this question in Amit Kumar Jaiswal group. We can do it there. Is that okay, Yashwant? Do this problem and then we will be done for the day. Do this problem. Rahul says not able to find. There's so many people who have already found the group. Okay. This is 2023 problem. Go in the comment section and tell me how many of you did not understand the previous problem. I just want to know the name. Zainab, I am not. You were. I suppose you joined late. Fatima did not understand. Swata did not. Bhavna did not understand. The Dunes did not understand. 4. Only 4. Himanusha. 5. Rest of you guys solve this problem. Let me solve it for them. 6, 7. So should I assume that out of 1900 people, rest of you understood that problem? And who understood? Who understood? Chalo. I'm gonna make it understand one more time. I'm gonna put all my heart and soul, but then you have to somehow you have to convince yourself that you can understand. If you learn with half-heartedness, if you learn with attentiveness, you will not understand. Let me go there once again, and I'm assuming that everybody understands English over here. So if somebody has a problem in understanding English, do let me know completely. Problem hoga wahan pe. Now I'm going back. I'm trying to make you understand once again. Say I say a book has 100 pages. That is my question. Find the number of digits on all the pages, on all the page numbers. Listen to my problem, people. 100 pages, right? So can I say this? Page number 1 to page number 9. There are 9 such pages. Page number 10 to page number 99. There are 90 such pages. And then page number 100. This gets multiplied. This gets multiplied with 1. This gets multiplied with 2. So you have got 90 plus 180. Page number 100 has got 3 digits, so 3. So collectively it is 180 plus 12. There will be a total of 192 digits. Did you understand this problem? Let me know in the comment section who did not understand this problem. Who did not understand this? No, Zainab, please don't go there. Tell me this question. Those of you who said that we did not understand, are you understanding 192? Are you understanding 192? Yes, Sweta. I am separating Fatima because I might know that my page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, page number 4, page number 5, page number 6, page number 7, page number 8, page number 9, they have only 1 digit each. Is that okay? Page number 10 onwards, all the numbers from page number 10 to page number 99, every page number will have 2 digits. Page number 100 has 3 digits, 100. Is that okay? Page number 100 Smriti has 3 digits. Did we understand this, everybody? Okay then. क्लियर है ये? आपको आपके मम्मी की कसम है, अभी समझ जाना. Now I say I have got page number 1 to page number 1000, right? How many total number of digits? So I say if I have to find out total number of digits here, page number 1 to page number 9. How many pages? 9 pages. Page number 10 to page number 99. How many pages? 90 pages. Page number 100 to page number 999. How many pages? 900 pages. Is that okay? And then you have got page number, and then you have got page number 1000. So do you understand that this has to be multiplied with 1, this has to be multiplied with 2, this has to be multiplied with 3? Yes or no? Yes or no? Shweta, I am not entertaining your doubt because I am going to simplify everything now. So what is this? You will write 180 and then 2700. If you simplify, this is what? 9882. So how many digits are there? 2889 till page number 999. Page number 100 has got how many digits? Page number 100 has got how many digits? 4 digits. So 2889 plus 4. Will it become 2893? Will it become 2893? So what is the total number of digits from page number 1 to page number 100? Will it be 2893? Is this okay? Now, if I, देखो बेटे, if I have this problem, page, a book has 360 pages. What is the total number of digits? Total number of digits. What will I write? Page number 1 to page number 9, page number 10 to page number 99, and page number 100 to page number 360. So how many? 9 pages. How many? 90 pages. How many? 261 pages. Is that okay? This into 1, this into 2, this into 3. Did you understand this problem? Did you understand why am I writing 261 out here? Everybody? So when you add them up, what it will be? You will be adding 9 and then 180 and then 783. So that will come out at 972. That answer was 972. Did you understand, everybody? Now, my question says this. My question says this. Total number of digits on page numbers of a book is 3189. How many pages this book has? पहले तो क्वेश्चन ही समझ जाओ. There are people who are not even understanding the question. How will they solve the problem? I am not giving you 3189 pages. I am asking you, I counted all the digits there. I counted all the numbers of the digits and I found 3189 digits. I need to find out how many pages does this book have, right? So what do? We do hit and trial. So page number 1 to 9, page number 10 to 99, and page number 100 to 999. This has got 9 pages, this has got 90 pages, this has got 90 pages, 900 pages. Into 1, into 2, into 3 करोगे तो collectively this is 9 digits will appear. Do not bombard me with the questions. Listen to this first. Are we having 2889 digits from page number 1 to page number 999? Now, if you're understanding this thing, how many digits your book had? 3189. And had it had page number 999, 2889, 300 additional digits, is it not? 300 additional digits. Okay, 300 additional digits. Now, page number 999 is over. What is the next page number? 1000. What is another page number? 1001. What is another page number? 1002, 1003, 1004. In each page numbers, how many digits will be utilized? 4 digits. 300 digits are there. So from those 300 digits, how many pages can be created? You can create 75 pages. You can create 75 pages, but 75 will be from 1000 onwards. You have completed 999 pages. You did not. Somebody says, how to know that? 1000 will have 4 digits. So 75 additional pages. 75 additional pages will come from here. 75 will come from where? 1000 onwards. So 1000 will be one of those 75 page numbers. Do you understand this? And that is why your answer will be 1074, not 107, because you will add 75 here. Let me know in the comment section that you're understanding this. This is the best that I could have given. This is all the energy that I had, I have put. Go in the comment box and tell me you still have not understood. Everybody understood? Anybody who did not understand this problem? I'm glad that everybody has understood. I'm glad that there are people who left the group because I had to make you understand. I took that conscious decision. There are people who are wasting their time. Yeah, good job. जिद्दी आदमी हूं मैं, समझा के छोड़ूंगा. All right, solve this problem and I will start from here tomorrow. Solve this one. Take it as a homework. It's a good problem. It was asked in 2002-3. Is that okay? That is what I'm talking about, Pooja. I will address this question tomorrow. Should I do it tomorrow? Will that be okay with you if I do it tomorrow? Chalo. I will see you tomorrow then. Okay. Take care, people. Take care. Thank you so much. Was this class helpful? Is this flow fine with you? Are you guys understanding things? Sometimes it is always a possibility because I'm teaching the kind of subject not everybody will understand. But if I hold your hand tightly and I drag you if you do not understand, you will understand. Okay? Chalo. Thank you, bete log. Thank you. Thank you, bache. Thank you. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay?